So let me show you how to set different ringtones for different contacts on your Pixel 10. Now, by default, all the contacts on your phone have the same ringtone, which is your phone's default ringtone. But if you want to, you can go to your contacts. So find your contacts and then open up the contact page of that specific person whose ringtone you want to change. So for instance, if it's that particular user, once you open, you can scroll down and see contact ringtone, and that's going to be the default ringtone. So tap on contact ringtone, and then you can choose any from any of these multiple ringtones. In fact, you can even go and set up a custom ringtone for that particular contact. For instance, you can set that song and then tap on save. And now that's the ringtone that's going to ring when that particular user, that particular person is calling you. So even without taking the phone out of the pocket, you know who's calling. Thanks for watching and good luck.